What's up, guys? Today I am gonna be fucking around with this shitty thing that I decided to buy.
Put it on the fan. Can we do that? Or do we need...
Yeah, nah.
No, just put it flat on the ground.
Yeah, only some of it. That's why I got that tarp. So I don't even know what I'm doing.
No, I don't know what today's plan is. Bit of everything. Bit of everything and fuck all at the same time.
Yep. Fucking normal day.
Normal day in the office, mate.
Fuck it, smells cooked.
Good! Yeah, it was doing 210 with little 14s on the back. The motor probably thought it was doing 1,000,000 miles an hour. Just like, no.
Man, I can't do this, man.
I think that gunk and shit that came out of there is definitely where it let go low. Like, there's just black gunk all the way down the back corner of that motor. Gosh, electric tools make life too easy, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I need under... Oh, actually I cracked it. Shouldn't be too bad. What size is it? Oh. They don't like life when it comes to bolt deciding.
Well,
people will see that if we upload that other video.
Huh?
People will see that in our last video of me running backwards and forwards trying to put the cool kicks on the plug-in. I need to come with sliders. We don't have any clue. There's an alternator. Or a turbo for the munchkins.
Yep.
Yeah, we got that 6 supercharger out, man. Gearbox. Far out.
What didn't you know? You just as you supercharger.
The distance supercharger. Just take some of the fluid out of the camp.
I want.
What?
I'm doing my thing.
Oh, how do we stop that from turning? Josh, mate, how did you do that? Okay, so, what are you up to? We gave up on that pump itself, eh? We're just trying to take off the whole fucking system now.
Oh no.
No.
Apparently not. It's like, you know what?
It's just like, fuck you guys, you know what? You wanna take me apart? Fuck yeah.
Hey, good luck. Oh.
Kiwi ingenuity, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get it done with no fucking belt on it. You put a belt on it.
It fucking work. Good thinking, Johnny.
Warehouse shop for the win.
Fucking the size of snap.
Jordy tried to stab a couple times. It's got knots in it to stop it from snapping. Oh yeah. What happened? Did they get jammed?
Yeah, it's like, it's like, you know what? I live on this. Wrong way.
Oh yeah, actually, look. It's leaked out the front as well, on that same bank.
Oh yeah, that's it.
So that bank, seed gasket's just gone by the looks of it. But it's all oil and shit.
Yeah.
So the oil jackets or some shit must have like burst. Fuck, I know.
Yeah, I'm also on telling. Well, not that one up there.
Yeah, so now this is Is it that one bottom one here? It doesn't look like it's gonna be a fuck all.
Yeah.
Come on. Just like that. Oh hell yeah, look at that. All down that whole side of that. It's like leaked down into that little crevice and just down.
Yeah.
All of that.
Not good.
And it's the same side that it's at the back of. All down there. You know what I mean? Like,
I'm not expecting something.
yeah, that head, that side has just let go.
Yeah, that's not that.
So I wonder if it's like a valve or push rod or however these motors work, but on that side.
Let's see if we can find out.
Yeah. So what, the water pump next?
Yeah.
Nice.
No, look at it. It's shiny as fuck. It looks shiny as fuck at least.
Yeah. It is.
It's goldy,
got
bronzy.
Metallics in it.
Yeah.
Little sparkles.
Let's bring on this paint up. Let's get us some smoke.
It's got the same sparkles in it.
Still there later. Come on, man!
You should probably have to go off the front of that too. Probably. They all look nasty.
No, because this bolt's had a paint job on the inside.
What did they even screw into? I didn't think they went into anything. They don't have water coming out of there. It's nasty. Like, where's the water come from?
No. What the fuck was that whole this one? Like,
Same thing as before, I think. Oh, you got it! How's that working? I don't know. No way. Fucking Hercules scratching him like. Why didn't you do that at the last run?
the fucking oil on my hands.
The oil is fucking grip. It is 50% grip, 100% strength. Oh shit. Is that it?
Apparently so. More.
That's good for it. Oh yeah, that worked. Oh yeah, something tells me it's the water pump that didn't like life. They were fucking awkward to get into, so it doesn't surprise me. Look at that. Who
Fucking
put that
joke.
there? Damn, isn't that better than the plastic ones that come with factories?
I don't even want to know about this part here.
I'm pretty sure you do. You don't. You leave that bit in there and you just pull the whole fucking thing out. Leave the pulley on the front.
Yep. I like that.
Then you can turn it over. Like if you get the heads off, you put a bolt, put a socket on the front of that. You can turn over your piston.
Yeah. Comes with some nuts and fucking studs.
Oh, the studs are with them.
Yeah. Fuck, mate, she's a beaut.
Do we not believe in manifold gaskets around here or something? Like,
No,
apparently not.
no wonder it's fucked out, eh?
No manifold gaskets. Supposedly the water pump is brand new. Fucking oil's pissing out of here.
So, I took the intake manifold off and the rocker covers, and you can kind of tell that's bent. This one here's the straightest. This one's a bit bent too. But you come over here, you go over to this one. Fucked, mate, fucked. So I took the heads off and where are the gaskets? Fucking hell. Okay. Grab one. You see the water jacket? And then you see the little pinholes for the fucking water to come through? I think that's one of the reasons why it said goodbye to us.
If you're going to rebuild a motor, make sure you know how to rebuild a motor before you start. Like, far out, who the fuck rebuilt this piece of shit?
They did a fucking beautiful job.
Yeah, we'll just block off the water jacket, eh? That sounds like a good idea to me. Got the motor all fucking sitting on its stand.
Kinda.
Yeah. Ready to figure out what was wrong with it. And we think we found the problem. So that piston there's at the top. And so is that back one. I'll grab this tool here. Give that a turn. We got that back one at the top now. And that one there at the top, in the middle. And give it one more turn. Oh, too hot. We got that one there in the top, the middle. That one stayed there. Now if I give it a whole turn over, this is just what happens. Oh mate, just stay still.
I think something broke.
Right, most of the some bolts are out. Just finishing off there. And I just got this one more sitting here. Yeah. Is there any more on your side?
Yeah, just this one. Oh my fucking god. Cooked! Look at that boy! That's what the was!
Is that something? We got some Legos.
Right there. I think. I can't tell. Over here.
It should be over here.
Yeah, what one is it? This
That one?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can see it at the camera.
You know what?
I can see just the bottom of the conrod just like hanging there. Look on the screen. On the screen, you're gonna see it next to the thing. That's great.
You know where all the ends go? Oh my shit.
Look at it all, like, this is all this little bits of stuff. Oh my god. Look, there's the bubble that holds it on the bottom.
Oh, that's a bit sharp.
Oh my god.
Oh mate. This shit's just way too dark in there. It's all the fucking...
Yeah, fist it. Get all them bits out.
Look, oh, save my hand, mate.
Oh, Jesus. What if you're allowed to do that, like, at an actual mechanic place? Just dip your hand in the oil, or is that a NOS violation?
Probably, they all have fucking gloves now.
Well, I like how fucking exploded everything is, but look how clean that back wall is though. It looks like it's never touched oil in its life. I still can't believe that. It's nuts. Well, boys, we have a problem.
That's fucking impressive.
I'm pretty sure that's cylinder 1, eh? Or is it on that side?
I think that might be cylinder 2.
Oh, yeah.
Might be.
We have to look at yours.
Yeah, we would.
Far out. That's crazy. I mean, I would have been more impressed if there was a big old hole right here, but you know.
Well, it's probably going to be it for today, but we'll make a part 2 of taking the internals out, and yeah, I don't know.
More excitement.
See how bad the inside is.